Hello guys, today we're playing Minecraft. You might see a orange circle around my thing, I'm sorry about that. I had a cheapy recorder. I need to do hidden for right now. Why are you spawning in lightning? I can turn the chat on. I'll just blur out everything if I see anything. Oh. So we're playing on something called Putts. I can't record in full screen, sorry. Yes, I can. I'm an idiot. There we go. Didn't do anything. Okay. I just got on the server about a day ago. I thought it'd be fun to record. So basically, you're locked, I guess. I have a hat on, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. For some reason, it looks like Alex for a minute. This video can only be up to 15 minutes because of the stupid screen recorder. Screen, sorry. I'm just still in the house. That's basically all I'm doing right now. Have I saw anything yet? Actually, I don't care what you guys think. What you guys see in chat, I don't really care either. Because I'm not paying attention to it much. I don't pay attention to it much. Guys, don't get mad at me because I have to, everything has to be perfect. I'm pretty sure you can hear stuff in the background. That's my mom. What? I'm crazy. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3. So on that, I'm an idiot this way. I'm pretty sure I just fill that up then. Yeah, except for the top part. To my other side. Yeah, both sides. Down. And I'm pretty sure I do that. Unfortunately, they don't have stone pillars. I wanted a pillar to make it look cool. But I thought to put stone. I need the roof now. I guess we can put wood across here. Ooh, I have an idea. These have been looking cool lately. Hopefully this records my voice. and then it would appear. Sorry, I'm not talking a lot. If you guys like this, I will make it a Minecraft series. I guess, kind of. Just me building. Again, I don't know. I don't really know. So far, that looks so good to me. It looks pretty good. Except that. That's what I don't like. I do not like. So I'm going to have to raise the doors real quick. And place, I guess we can put planks. Well, it's already been 6 minutes. Wow. Wrong side. Here, I'll do this in a minute. I'm gonna need to replace that. Because I didn't just set this video up. I happen to have it in my inventory because I started building this already. This is what I love about the server watch. Watch it. Oh, dang it. You can't move the gadgets. Block. I guess we can move the door. Watch this. See. Hey. Watch this. Oh, whoops. I hit the... If you hit the... Okay, don't try that. I'm in the center. I'll use it to the test. That's what I love about the server. You can do this. Wipe up the door. It's just ignore. So it just shows. Pretend you're walking up to your friend. And you're like, so they don't know you have this inventory. So you're like, hey dude, you're in GMS. God. You have God and /fly on. Okay, I don't have access to /fly. So, you're just walking up to him like, hey dude. So, and then you just, okay, let me. And so you just, oh, you're gonna need a, yeah, this isn't gonna work. So you're in survival, right? Or if you're in creative, don't hold it down. Just spam break that and place it again. It annoys the heck out of if you're in survival, you're like, you place it and you're like, hey, and they're like, hey, what are you doing? Annoying you? Please! Oh, any guys? Never mind. I'm just gonna name this figured out something. I forgot something. Yeah. That's gonna do it for building in Minecraft, whatever it is. Well, it's not gonna do it yet. Oh, it's almost been 15 minutes. Wow. Oh my gosh! There we go. Oh yeah. I'm recording. Say hi to YouTube. Now we get a I will take a screenshot so you guys can still remember when I do the next video. Every video I will show you this. Like every video. Something I build, if I did build something, I will show it in screenshots. Is there anything else? Oh yeah. Before I do this, watch. It's something called Spam Kick. Anyway, oh. Oh no, the last helper! Screw this. Helper. No, there's only mods left. Is anyone? No, so, actually guys, that's gonna be it now, for real. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Minecraft, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye!